We got big problems.
Things are falling apart.
Our generator doesn't work now either. Issues. RV life.
We love it. What up, everybody?
What up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a classy motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting.
Seek adventures.
And reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the free.
Love our life!
Yeah.
So don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
No, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Our house batteries died and we had to get new ones. Thank you, AutoZone, for helping us. So we're hoping that it's just a battery issue and then the generator will come on because the generator was working fine. We're just hoping that it's not another issue. Keep your fingers crossed. We'll soon find out. We'll have our awning issue. Haven't been able to fix that because nobody's known how to fix it. Ruben is in here transferring the old ones out and gonna put the new ones in.
Good tip when you're doing something like this, make sure you take a picture of the configuration before you take it apart, because it'll be a pain in the ass and you may screw up things doing it the wrong way if you don't pay attention to detail.
All right, I'm gonna try the generator now that we got the new batteries in.
This is supposed to take care of the problem. We're hoping.
So
everybody keep your fingers crossed. Here we go.
Wish us luck.
Prime it, start it. Let's see.
Come on, Lippy, baby.
Come on, Leppy.
Priming it.
Do it for daddy. One time, baby, one time. Yeah! We're back in business, baby. We back. Oh my God. Wow. Woo! Thank God it was just that easy.
Thank you, God.
AutoZone, you really hooked it up. You guys are knowledgeable. Plus, you guys are super helpful.
Yes.
You guys are automatively
challenged like us.
Yeah.
Go to AutoZone.
AutoZone's the place. I didn't even know what tools I was going to need. He had stuff ready for it. Got a cart to help carry the batteries out. He's taking my batteries. It's all good.
This is Josh.
This is Josh.
If you're in Carson City, definitely come by to AutoZone, and they will hook you guys up.
Subscribe, like, down, comments, everything. You guys take it easy.
The baby's still running.
Yeah.
Oh, we're running the generator. We're what you call exercising her.
Exercising
the demons. All right, now that we got new batteries, the generator's working. We need to come up with a game plan because the weather is not acting upright. It's gonna be like crazy windy. We're not gonna be able to go to Tahoe. So we decided that we're gonna hit the road and go hit what?
The loneliest highway
in America, which is Highway 50. So today is gonna be a prep day.
Gotta get some supplies. We're here in the Walmart parking lot
in Carson City. Nevada. The loneliest road in America.
It ain't got much.
How lonely is the loneliest road in America?
How lonely can it be, really? Time Magazine, I think
voted
it was 86.
Yeah.
1986 voted it the loneliest highway in America.
And so, there's a hot spring.
Oh, we're gonna hit the hot spring.
Oh, yes. All right, we got some supplies. We got some snacks. Check this out. We got some unmeat roast beef and some unmeat Spam. Those are new. We've never seen those before. We got some frozen veggies and we got some easy rice. We figure since we're going to be boondocking, that will be easy. And we got some fresh veggies, but we're about to hit Trader Joe's next.
More goodies.
We're going to take a detox shot because being on the road, sometimes you don't eat the best. It's got ginger, turmeric, carrot, cayenne pepper.
Oh, wow.
All right, now to Trader Joe's. We got our produce from Trader Joe's. We're gonna go see if we can find a harvest host around the area or a place where we can boondock so we can get the rig ready to roll.
Yeah.
Woohoo! We just got approved for the night for the harvest host, and it is literally at the beginning of the Highway 50 route, so it's perfect. It's a farm. They have a corn maze.
They got a store for produce.
More produce.
More produce.
We'll definitely have to buy some more produce.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna go stay there. Super excited!
Yes.
Woo, let's go!
So sweet, we found a free dump at Sinclair Gas. So if you're ever in Carson City, hit the Sinclair free dump.
Oh my gosh, look.
Oh,
look.
there are wild horses.
Oh my gosh, there's wild freaking horses.
Rihanna was right. Wild horses. Oh, there's some way up there.
Ah, that was cool. Wild horses, that's so freaking cool.
Yeah.
Never in my life have I ever seen wild horses. That was cool. I love our life.
Yeah.
This place is so freaking cute.
It's pretty cool.
Oh my god, berries and apples and stuff all over the tree.
Oh man, more produce. Here we go. Yeah.
Let's go check in and
See where we park.
what's up, sexy? Can you believe this is gonna be our front yard right here? This. The sunset's gonna be over there, and then the sunrise is gonna be right there. Ah, how can you get better than this? I love our life! As much as I want to go out and play, we have to organize everything first. Life is not all fun and games, guys.
A few moments later.
We are ready for our adventure.
We're
Our-
gonna be picking some things.
Our you pick adventure. We got our buckets.
We're gonna pick and we're gonna cut some things.
Let's go pick some things. There's definitely a lot of bees in here. Oh, a lot more than I'm okay with. Okay, I need to get out of the grapes here. There's too many bees. It's freaking me out. I'm going. Oh gosh. I risk my life. I risk my life for you guys. I don't have any heart attack. All I could hear was bees all around. I really wanted to try one of the grapes, though. I got too scared. You want to go back and get a grape?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go get one.
All right, well, you got to go in there.
Cheers. They look like blueberries.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
They're tiny, almost not quite Concord grapes, but
Oh my gosh. Those are...
all right. I may have to go get a little bit.
Yeah.
All right.
You got to get some of those.
Yeah. What is that I smell? Is that basil?
Ooh, that smells delicious.
That's actually really strong.
All right, let's go that way. All right, I think the herbs are on the next aisle over.
Is that it?
No.
No?
Oh, it's over here. Oh, I could smell it. Oh, look at the basil, guys. Oh, we are getting basil, but look at all the bees.
Yeah, look at all the bees.
You are on your own, bruh. Now, has anybody ever heard of beef steak plant? Or ever used it? Never heard of it before.
Virginia creeper?
It's a Virginia creeper.
It's a grape.
Oh.
Chili peppers. Look at that.
Ooh.
Oh, wait, we can't pick those. Those are not on the list.
Yeah.
We got to stick to the...
Yeah.
I got crazy right there. Apparently, these purple grapes that we picked are not Concord. They are fox grapes. They taste sweet, but not overly sweet. It's got that little Concordy grape taste to it. It's really subtle, but it's really flavorful too at the same time. So I don't know if you understand that, but you'll have to come try it. Now that we got what we wanted, let's go pay for it, and let's go find out what other goodies we can buy inside the store.
Fallon, Nevada is known for their cantaloupe. Cantaloupe jam is one of their things here that they're famous for. We're gonna grab some of that and grab some fresh melon. We got our stuff.
Yeah, we got the cantaloupe jam.
And some cantaloupe, some fresh ones.
Oh yeah, what it's famous for is the heart of gold cantaloupe. And the other one is called a Sarah's Choice.
That they're famous for.
Locals prefer Sarah's Choice over heart of gold.
Hi, cuties.
You know what that is?
That's so freaking cool. It's coming, boy. Aw, feeding the babies. Today started off as a very stressful day. No generator, no house batteries.
We were so wrecked this morning.
And now we are in this amazing place. The sun is going down. I'm with the man of my dreams.
Can't get better than this, I'll tell you that.
We love it. We love